Hello, Steve. This is Andres from the Trello sales team. I have read your email and I'm looking forward to answering some of the concerns that you voiced to me. The answer to your first question is, of course, yes. You're more than welcome to stay with the Trello free plan, which offers many top of the line competitive services for free. So you cannot compete with that. However, down the line, I would definitely recommend either the business class or the enterprise model, which, considering the expansion of your company with 100 new personnel, would be better suited to the needs and for a more integrated ecosystem of your company with higher efficiency and productivity, of course. Regarding the negative reviews on the Glassdoor website, I can assure you that this is nothing to worry about. Trello reviews are on a whole very positive. I've just gone over to check myself to make sure, and we're constantly trying to improve and solve any issues that might obviously come our way. I can see that you already have some experience with using the Asana features. Um, I can guarantee that on a whole, Trello offers all the same features for a comparable price. However, it also has some features which are very suited to your requirements. A key feature that you will find only with Trello is the use of multiple assignments. This will allow you to divide assignments between across the board through different departments, raising productivity and efficiency across the line. This will facilitate movement between various departments and satisfy the growing numbers of your company. Another key aspect that you will only find with our product is that it's accessible and user-friendly to non-technical personnel. I don't have to explain that the more straightforward the program is, the less time will be dealt troubleshooting technical problems, and the more time will be spent moving forward with the needs of your company, raising efficiency and productivity across all departments. Overall, I think that our software is a perfect fit for the requirements of ABC Design Company, and I'm sure that our collaboration will go many years into the future. If you have any other queries or concerns, or even more technical questions that I can answer, I'll be happy to do so. Thank you for your time, Steve, and I'm looking forward to our next meeting. Thank you.